Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. So if this is your first time of watching our videos, do ensure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so that you can get notified each time we drop a new video in our channel. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap the plus icon and select Post. On the next screen, look for the multiple select icon. Tap it, and now you can choose up to 20 images or videos from your device's gallery. Once you've selected your photos or videos, tap Next in the top right corner. Here, you can edit your photos by cropping them, applying filters, or even adding music. When you're satisfied with your edits, tap Next again. You'll now see a preview of your post. Add a caption, tag people, or include a location if you want. Finally, tap Share to publish your post with up to 20 pictures. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share more than 10 photos in a single post. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.